everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. The lessons we are going to cover today are 10 more or less, add and subtract tens, addition and subtraction terms. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is estimation, and the lesson we're going to cover from the chapter is estimate to nearest tens. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 1 maths. Chapter we're going to start with is mixed operations. And the lesson we're going to start with is 10 more or less. Let's just start with the chapter. Which number is 10 less than 35? So you need to find a number that is 10 less than 35. Got it? That means you have to make number of tens one less, because 10 less than 35. Got it? So you have to subtract 1 out of the digit that is at the tens position. Got it? You have 35. 35. The rightmost digit is always the ones digit and the next digit is always the tens digit. So basically this is the tens digit. You have to subtract 1 from the tens digit. 3 take away 1 is 2. And that means if you 10 less than 35 is 25. So the correct option is 25. So 35, 10 less than 35 is 25. Got it? Okay, then the next one is which number is 10 more than 5? You have to find a number that is 10 more than 5. So that means you have to make the 10 digit one more. You have to add 1 to 10's digit. So you have 5. 5 is the digit that is at the ones position. You have no digit at the tens position. That means there you have 1. Got it? So you have to add 1 here. 10 ones digit would be same. You just have to add 1 at the tens position. So it would be 15. That means 10 more than 5 is 15. Got it? 10 more than 5 is 15. Let's just start with the test questions. The next one is which number is 10 less than 84? So 10 less than 84 means you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens position. Got it? So it would be 84. Here is 84. So 4 is at the ones position and 8 is at the tens position. You have to subtract 1 from the tens position. Just subtract 1 from the tens digit. Got it? Ones digit is exactly same. So 8 take away 1 is 7. That means that 10 less than 84 is 74. So the correct option is 74. So 10 less than 84 is 74. Got it? So it would be 74. The correct option is 74. Okay, the next one is what number is 10 more than 54? So you have to find a number that is 10 more than 54. Got it? That means you have to add 1 to the digit that is at the tens position. Got it? So you have 54. 4 is at the ones position. The rightmost digit is always at the ones position. And 5 is at the tens position. The question is 4 more than 50, 10 more than 54. That means you have to add 1 to the digit that is at the tens position. Just add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. You have to add. So it would be 64. That means 10 more than 54 equals 64. So the correct option is 64. Okay, the next one is what number is 10 more than 40? So you have to add 10 to 40. That means very good. It would be 50. So basically you have to add 1 to the digit that is at the tens position. So you have 40. Add 0 is at the ones position and 4 is at the tens position. Add 1 to the digit that is at the tens position. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. So it would be 50. So the correct option is 50. Very good. It would be 50. Okay, the next one is very good. What number is 10 less than 78? 10 less than 78 means you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens position. So 7 is at the tens position and 8 is at the ones position. Just subtract 1 out of 7. So 7 take away 1 is 6. So it would be 68. The correct option is 68. What number is 10 less than 63? So you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens position. So which is the correct option? So you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the 10 less, not more. Less means you have to subtract, more means you have to add. So 10 less means you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens position. Here you have 63. 6 is at the tens position, subtract 1. So 6 take away 1 is 5 and write down 3 as it is. So it would be 53. So 63 take away 1 is 53. Got it? Okay, what number is 10 less than 35? So which is the correct option? 10 less than 35, you have to subtract 1 from the digit that is at the tens position, or either you can simply subtract 10. 5 take away 0 is 5 and 3 take away 1 is 2. Got it? So it would be 25. Got it? Okay. You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is add and subtract tens. Let's just start with the first one. Okay, the first example is subtract 80 out of 70. Notice that both numbers have 1 0 at the end. So they both have a 0 at the end. Here you have 0, here you have 0. When the numbers of zeros is the same, it is easy to subtract. First, arrange the numbers one above the other. So both of the number have same 0, like 1 0. So whenever you have same number of zeros, it is very easy to subtract. Just arrange them one above the other. Next, subtract the zeros. Whenever there is a 0 below other 0, place a 0 at the bottom. That means 0 take away 0 equals 0. Got it? This is because 0 minus 0 equals 0. Now just subtract the digits that are at the tens position. So 8 take away 7 equals 8 take away 7 equals, it would be 8 take away 7 is 1, so it would be 10. So the correct option is 80 subtract 70 is 10. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. 70 plus 0. So which is the correct option? Adding 0 to any number equals exactly the same number. So 70 plus 0 equals 70. The correct option is 70. Okay, subtract 90, take away 30. So you have to subtract 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. Got it? So 90 minus 30 equals 60. So the correct option is 60. Got it? So the correct option is 60. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 90 minus 10. So which is the correct option? Zero minus 0 is 0 and 9 minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. It would be 80. We have 90 minus 10. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 9 minus 1 is 80. It would be 80. The correct option is 80. Okay, the next one is 40 plus 10. Let's just add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, and you have to add the digits that are at the tens position. So 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. Correct option is 50. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Okay, the next one is subtract 10 take away 0. So 10 take away 0 equals 10 take away 0 equals 10 take away 0 equals subtracting 0 from any number equals the same number. So 10 take away 0 equals 10. So the correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is 40 plus 50. So which is the correct option? So 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 40 plus add plus 50 equals 90. So the correct option is 90. Okay, the next one is add 60 plus 10. Add the digits that are at the ones position. So 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. So it would be 70. It would be 70. 60 plus 10 equals 70. The correct option is 70. The next one is 90 take away 20. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 9 take away 2 equals 7. So it would be 70. The correct option is 70. Okay, the next one is 60 plus 20. So 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 2 is 8. So it would be 80. The correct option is 80. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Our next lesson is add addition and subtraction terms. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, in this problem, what is 58? It would be 36 plus 22 equals 36 minus 36 plus 22 equals 58. 52 is the sum. Here you have 36 and 22, they both are added, and 58 is the sum. When you add two numbers, the third answer would be the sum of the problem. Got it? Okay, the next one is, in this problem, what is 7? 44 take away 37 equals 7. 7 is the difference of both 44 and 37. Got it? Let's just start with the practice. Okay, in this problem, what is 60? No difference, which is the correct option? That would be the sum. When you are adding two numbers, the answer would be the sum. So it is sum of two numbers. 60 is the sum of 48 plus 12. The correct option is sum. Got it? 60 is the sum. The next one is 33 7. The next one is 33 plus 7 equals 40. So in this problem, what is 40? Which is the correct option? Is it sum or difference? When you are adding two numbers, the answer would be the sum. So it would be 40 is the sum. In this problem, what is 33? Sum or difference? 50 take away 23. You're subtracting two numbers. The answer must be the difference. 33 is the difference of 53 and 20. Got it? It would be difference. In this problem, what is 26? 60 minus 35. What is 26? Is it sum or difference? Twenty-six is the difference of 61 and 35. Got it? 61 take away 35 equals 26. So 26 is the difference. Okay, in this problem, what is 52? Sum or difference? So which is the correct option? $52 is the difference of the numbers 73 and 21. Got it? So that would be the difference. In this problem, what is 58? You have to add 36 and 22. So when you are adding two numbers, the answer would be the sum. So 58 is, it would be 58. 58 is the sum of 36 and 22. That would be the sum. In this problem, what is 23? 30 take away 7 equals 23. Is it the sum or difference? Which is the correct option? It would be difference. 23 is the difference of 30 and 7. That would be the difference. What is in this problem? What is 42? 29 plus 13 equals 42. So which is the correct option? 42 is the sum of 29 plus 13. So that would be 42. In this problem, what is 48? 42 plus 6 equals 48. So you're adding two numbers. So when you're adding, the answer would be the sum. So that would be sum. Okay, in this problem, what is 7? 43 take away 37 equals 7. So which is the correct option? Is it sum or difference? 44 minus 37 equals 7. The correct option is 7. It would be the difference of both the numbers. Got it? Okay, we're done with the lesson. Now we're going to start the new chapter, that would be the estimation. So let's just start the new chapter. Okay, here I'm on the chapter estimation, estimate to the nearest tens. So you have to Estimate the numbers. How many marbles are there? Estimate. You have to estimate the answer. Got it? There are more than 5 groups of 10 marble. There are more than 50 marbles. There are about 90 marbles. You just have to estimate the answers. Got it? They are in the groups. You can just see how they have. Okay, just make a groups of 10 marbles. It would be 1 2 10 marbles like this. It would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 like this. Three groups. You can count the groups like this. Got it? So that would be the estimated answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. So that means there are more than 5 groups. So the estimated answer is 90. They are 90 marbles. Got it? Let's just start. That is not the exact answer. You don't know the exact number of marbles. Got it? You just have to make a group and you have to answer. Okay, like this. Let's just make the group of 10 marbles. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here is one group. Then you have, I think it is about 30. Got it? You can see not more than three groups here of the 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, and that is the third group. 1 2 3 4 5. So the estimated answer, they are about 30. No, I haven't counted the third group. So the estimated answer is it is about 30. You have just three groups of 10 marbles each, so that would be about 30. Got it? Okay, how many marbles are there? You can see the options, about 20 or 60. They don't looks like 60. They are very less marbles. Got it? It would be, they are about 20 marbles. Got it? The correct option is 20. They are about 20 marbles. Got it? Okay, the next one is, how many marbles are there? About 40 or about 70? Which is the correct option? About 40? No, they looks more than 40. Got it? That means they are more than 40. So that means they are about 70 marbles. Got it? So the correct option is about 70. Okay, how many marbles are there? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? About 40 or 80? No, it is much more. They looks like 40. That means they are about 40 marbles. Got it? Correct option is about. Very good. Okay, how many marbles are there? About 20 or 60? Which is the correct option? They are about 60. Got it? 20 is much less than this. Okay, how many marbles are there? About 40 or about 80? Which is the correct option? They are about 80. You can see there are so many. They are not 40. So they are about 80. Got it? Very good. Okay, how many marbles are there? About 50 or about 90? Which is the correct option? They are more than 50, not 50, so they are about a 90. The correct option is about 90. How many marbles are there? About 50 or about 90? Yes, they are about 50, not about 90. Got it? Okay, how many marbles are there? They are just 20. They are about 20 marbles. Got it? The correct option is about 20. Okay, how many marbles are there? About 30 or about 90? Which is the correct option? They are about 30. The correct option is about 30. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 maths. The chapter we're working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered are 10 more or less from the chapter, then add and subtract tens, then addition and subtraction terms. And then we've started a new chapter, estimation, and the lesson we have covered from the chapter is estimate the nearest 10. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. See you in the see you in the next session. Bye everyone.